Hi everyone! In today's video, I would like to talk to you about how to get more work done by mastering the art of planning. Now, I see planning as a form of problem solving, in that if you know the formula and you also know how to apply it, all that's left for you to do is to simply plug in the numbers and you will arrive at the correct answer every single time. And in a few seconds, I will be sharing that formula with you, which consists of 3 steps paired with 3 easy-to-use tools that you probably already have lying around your house that will make you a master planner. Step 1. Create a work breakdown structure, also known as a WBS. All you need for this first step is Post-it notes, a stack of regular size ones, and some mini ones. Start by writing your high-level goal at the top. So let's say acing this semester with a 4.0. Then ask yourself the question, what does that mean? In this case, that means getting above 85% or an A in every single class this semester. Now, what does that mean? Well, for biology, it means acing your 2 midterms, your lab exercise, and your final. For psychology, it means getting an A on your midterm and your final, and so on and so forth with the rest of the classes. Step 2. Assign deliverables. I would highly recommend you use a mini agenda or a mini planner like this one. Assign each box to 1 or 2 weeks in your planner. This will help you set a theme for every week. What does this mean? It means that that particular week you make a promise to yourself that every single day you will dedicate a minimum of 1 hour to do something that will help you get closer to achieving that week's goal. The beauty of this is that you can carry that post-it note all the way up until you actually have that due date. If you have this visual theme in front of you, you will be able to see the importance of everything you do and see how every little thing is connected to the big picture, aka that WBS we just did in step 1. This does wonders for productivity, motivation, reducing procrastination, and just getting more work done, which is what we're trying to accomplish with this video in the first place. Step 3, complete the action items. For this step, all you need is a spiraled notebook that will serve as visual, tangible proof of work and progress. There is no way I can sugarcoat this. If you want to be a master planner, if you want to get more work done, you need to start being comfortable and becoming a pro at to-do lists, particularly daily to-do lists. The main reason students procrastinate is that number 1, they feel overwhelmed with the amount of work they have to do, and number 2, every single time they sit down to get work done, it feels like starting from scratch. And remember, I spoke about this in a number of videos. The harder it is for you to start, the harder it is for you to study, the least likely you are of committing with your goal, of sticking with your plan. It will increase procrastination, you will feel unmotivated, and you will just, let me try that again. Self-sabotage yourself. There you go. Sound effects, people, I take them seriously. So the main reason why you should do a to-do list, I typically do mine on a Sunday and prepare it for the 7 days that follows, is that a to-do list serves as a GPS. It is a simple map that you follow. You don't even have to think about it. You just sit down, open your planner so you see this week's theme, and then open your to-do list to know what you have to do that day, and you're set. It's like following instructions. The only thing you need to focus on is the actual work. This helps promote the flow state that I talked about in the study bubble video. Check it out. It allows you to get immersed in the work that you are doing without having to think, oh, what do I do now? Did I do this? Is it too late? How far along is this exam? It just takes all that stress away from you, and you only have to do it once. So this is it. This is the formula that I resort to every single time I am faced with a goal, a project, a problem, and I cannot recommend it enough. So I really hope that this video inspired you to at least give it a try for the new semester and see how beneficial it is. And milk it for all it's worth, like I did. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And for those of you that stayed till the end, guess what? It's giveaway time. Haha! I got you. Today's giveaway is brought to you by personalplanner.com, which, if you've been following for a while, kind of a strong supporter of their stuff. I've been using their planners for like years. I have more of these somewhere there, but I can't find them. In other words, if you want to design your very own planner for the new school year to plan like a pro and put into effect the tips I just shared with you in the video, free planner, hello. All you have to do is, number one, of course, be subscribed to my channel. Number two, follow Personal Planner on either Facebook, on Instagram. I will link both their pages down below. You won't regret it. They pack some serious study inspo. And finally, to be entered in the contest, please leave in the comments down below what school-related videos you would like to see from me this semester. Thank you again for watching and good luck!